Hey John, here's your video on how to edit the website. I've gone ahead and created you a user and a password so you'll be able to log in. I'm logged in right now as an administrator, and this video should be about 7-10 minutes long, probably at the most. When you log in, you're going to get the three buttons here on the right: Pages, Settings, and Stats. So let me just walk you through this. And to log in, of course, you're just going to go to the bottom. You'll see the login, the log out button. I went ahead and put the logo back in, obviously without the sushi piece. I went over to Facebook. I didn't see a new logo, so if you want me to put something else up here, just let me know. So when I'm logged in, when you're logged in, you're going to notice there is this widget tool, if you will, that allows you to add rows. The whole site is built row on top of row on top of row, and so on and so forth. So each row is just slightly different. For example, this here is a what's called a hero image. You'll see hero images right here. This is actually a gallery, just slightly different. YouTube video, of course, reviews, so on and so forth. So let me just show you how to make some edits. If, for example, I hover over a row and I want to make a change. Let's say I want to just change the text here or down here under the pictures or change the picture themselves. I'm going to click on Edit, and this is going to open up. Pretty self-explanatory. It's a what you see is what you get editor. We've actually been building these a little bit different. And now that we've removed the sushi piece, it could use some more content. You know, you do some entertainment and different functions and deals that you have going on. I saw a burger deal on Facebook, and that should really be on the website as well. So, but let me get back to showing you how to do some edits here. So again, if I just want to make a change here, I'm going to add an exclamation point for you right there. And if I wanted to edit what's under the picture, I'm going to just click on Edit, make my change. If I want to swap the picture out, I'm just going to click on Replace. It's going to take a minute to load. And then I can go ahead and put any other picture that I'd like right in there. When I'm done, click Post. Another gallery here. Just a straight gallery, 4 pictures. Same thing here. Here's your reviews, edit. You want to stay away from doing any changes really with the colors, because if you do make, for example, if you were to make some changes here for the color of any, some of the buttons, you would want to make sure that the rest of the site changes as well. So if you run into anything design-wise you want done, just let me know. Testimonials, same thing. Make your change, click Post. I'm going to go ahead and make that brighter while I'm here. Going to hop in there. Oh, it was for all positions. And now if I make it white, it's a little tough to go in and edit. So I'm going to actually make it just a gray. There we go. Contact form. Again, pretty self-explanatory. All you really need to know is each row is slightly different, and there's about 5 different kinds of rows, and you'll really only be hitting the edit button. You can move something up, move it down. Right? The footer is different. The footer has this basic contact information, location, hours of operation, payments accepted. All right. Going to just hop over to the About Us. This here is just a big text row. with the title and a description. Again, make any changes and click post. You know what might be nice here is actually an image. So I'm going to try something really quick, just show you how this works. I'm going to go ahead and add an image. And let's see. Take that one. I'll go like this. You'll notice I can position an image and have the content wrap around it. So I'm going to do that. And I want the content to wrap to the right of the image. So it's already set to do that. And I'm just going to click post. And you'll see how that looks. Really good. I'm going to keep that there. I'm going to come down here and click on hide, which is right here. And that's going to fade away. So we still see it because we're logged in. Obviously, once I log out, it will disappear. That looks pretty good. Going over to the menu, we do the menu for you anyway, but if you want to make any changes in here, same thing. This is a row. It's a big row. So click on edit. The whole thing opens up. You could make your changes. If you wanted to add an item, you could add. If you want to take away an item, if you wanted to move an item up or down. If you ever wanted to add images, it'd be a project, but you could always have images of every dish, and the images can sit right next to the item. What I have been doing, it's worked out kind of nice, is for each category, for appetizers, we have an image that comes across here right at the top, and then it sits snug right under that. Kind of like a hero image. There's images that go straight across, right? And then you'd have a nice salad picture right here. In fact, I've been doing the photo shoots myself, invested in a little bit of equipment, probably done about 50 of them, and I actually like my work better than the photographer I had. So if you ever need some help there, just let me know. I think that's pretty much it. Some of the things we're going to want to talk about when we sit down is the loyalty program. You actually do still have 300 or 400 people opted in that you can send a message to. I don't know if you remember we set that up in the beginning. Everything is slightly better than when we first met and when this first launched. Even our websites look a little bit different. I'm on a whole new text messaging platform. Very simple, nice and easy to use. It integrates with social media. It's fantastic. We do a little bit more with search engine, and we have a nice addition. It's the optimization piece for voice search, which only a couple companies, to my knowledge, have that right now. Your Alexa and the Google Voice and whatever other ones that are out there, so that you're optimized there as well. So I think that covers just about everything that you needed from me today. I tried to keep this around 10 minutes. I'm going to send this over to you, and we'll talk soon. Thanks, and have a good day.